There it is, the Mig-29. It's been smashed and crashed and hot glued back together several times. Anyhow, it's a fun plane to fly. It's been flying a little better since I've got a proper pilot. He's taking care of things there, Daniel Craig, 007. Anyhow, we'll see if we can have some fun with this thing. Alright. All systems go. Oh. I don't know. I built this out of foam board. Come and look at it. Huh? Right there. Oh, perfect. Which cows? Please be politically correct, would you? Okay, you seen that one. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I made it out of foam board, poster board.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Have a look at it.
Poster board?
Yeah.
And then it's got a wrap?
Yeah, I did an iron-on thing, which I'd probably never try again. It was too much work. Too much work for too little results, in my opinion, but I would just use packing tape, and I wouldn't paint it. The paint sort of inhibits adhesion. Here's a different one.
It's like a little alien thing.
That's what everybody says. Doesn't look Mexican to me at all. How the heck are you guys?
Good.
So is that just like it's just a red tape, eh?
Yeah, fiber tape.
Fiber tape.
Yeah. You got it.
That's pretty good.
It's plan. You get the
hot glue gun all the joints?
Yeah, hot glue. Some of it's polyurethane glue.
A little bit of few balls. A couple of twigs in there.
Yeah, barbecue skewers.
That's your newest one.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's unarmed. You can lift it if you want.
So like that's straight like an up down.
What else do you want it to do?
Well, this one go around and you
It'll
can
go around too.
I'm not at the skill level where I can do what you want it to do. I mean, it does what it does. Does what I can do. I built it from scratch too.
It's amazing this thing gets off the ground when you feel how heavy it is.
That thing has probably 4-to-1 power.
Really?
Yeah. It pulls 600 watts, almost a horsepower.
Fish going here?
That's a Kentucky Fried Chicken gravy takeaway thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that thing, I like it. It's really nice. It's just a little hard to orient when it gets
and
far
the
away.
ice straps are your
Yeah,
landing.
that's kind of...
And you put landing lights on it?
I put lights on it. It helps a lot, actually.
So you can tell which is front and back?
Yeah. I had it the opposite way,
Yeah.
and it was just, those white lights are so blinding. Ready? Safety first.
Heavy. What is that of her power?
Yeah.
See, up, down. Wow.
Is that ever?
Yeah, wow. Pretty lame, eh?
Have you mounted your
This thing will do
camera onto
flips
it?
and loops, but not for me. I don't know how to do it. I did, But it's just shakier compared to the T-copter. Yeah. And actually the light is a little bit poor for me to get it too far away. That's on self-level mode. Like what you do is you can tip it and let go and it auto levels.
All levels.
See?
Oh, that's doing it itself?
Yeah. As soon as you let go of the stick.
Is there a gyro for rotation? So it does
There's 3 gyros for 3 axis. And an accelerometer does the work for the auto level. There's sideways, there's forward. They'll flip, but I'm not going to flip it because I've never done it intentionally.
How's your ankle feeling?
It feels good because I'm not doing anything to it.
How long do you have to be unweight bearing?
Probably another month.
You serious?
Yeah, I'm starting progressive weight bearing. So 25% I can put on it. That's what I've been told. You can do 25% of your body weight
So,
as you take steps with your
you're gonna
crutches.
Get a physio to get all your...
I don't know. It's all good. I'm not at work. Yeah, that's without the battery. Battery's pretty heavy.
The battery's pretty heavy, but...
Well, it's nice you guys get to see all this stuff. And then you can tell your friends. And they'll tell their friends.
And then what? And then you'll have a...
And then...
Oh, look at that. The motor casing is actually the...
Yeah, magnet housing. Stator is stationary.
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
They're 3-phase motors. They take DC and variable. It's like a miniature variable speed drive.
And this is, I'm assuming, your antenna?
That's my receiver. Yeah, that only receives commands. And this guy in the middle, here, take the cover off. The guy in the middle, it's the thing that does all the thinking. So the radio takes signals in from the radio,
Yeah.
and it goes in to the flight control board, and it does all the magic. So you got a display. You can go through all those settings. You can just go next, down, 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 down,
Yeah.
and see everything. It'll run a gimbal off these, and I built one. So the gimbal corrects for roll and pitch. Like $10 and you built a gimbal that will actively try and keep your horizon in the same spot as you fly with one of these. But I got to rebuild the T-copter with...
So do you have to upload firmware onto it, or is it
Yeah,
pretty much...
guys
or-
will configure new firmware
Yeah.
and tweak it better and better. And these speed controllers I flash with different firmware. So the motors don't heat, these don't heat, and you can put a powerful battery on, and it's great. It's $30, right? That flight controller. This just blows my mind, all the stuff in there. I like this plane though.
And who did you put in your... Oh, you got...
Who is that?
Bob.
Oh.
Somebody said it. Oh, is that Barack Obama? And then there was another name I forget. Okay, it's not happy because it doesn't have a link. Because I didn't switch the radio to this model. It's a Mig-29.
That's doing pretty good.
I think you got some pretty good range on that.
Oh, it could go farther away. These transmitters come configured to the European output, which is lower by quite a bit than the US output. And as soon as I switched it, my range went up, and I sort of more careful with the transmitters, how I get the antennas. You can see all the spider webs from the hot glue, eh? A little bit of lawn cutting.
Very cool.
Okay, let's see if I can get it in the air again. if I had, like, that power plant will take everything the battery can throw at it and more. Like, that's 60 amps.
What?
This power plant draws 45 amps actually.
No way.
45 amps, I've measured it. That's the max it draws, so about 650 watts. So almost a horsepower is going into that prop.
How much fight time? Well, you obviously not.
Oh, about 5 minutes. Here we go. Here we go. You can hear the low battery alarm complaining.
Oh, is that what the beeping is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because
I heard when it was coming in, some beeping going on.
yeah, I put different firmware in those speed controllers, and it no longer will cut off when a low battery condition exists. Like you would get a softening of your power.
Is that to protect the battery?
Yeah, you don't want to deep discharge the lithium polymers. Fly it in the sunshine so I can see which way is which.
Well, you haven't been in the parking lot taking lights down, have you?
They've never put them up. I've flown between those light standards unintentionally.
I guess probably gas-powered airplanes are kind of really diminished.
No, these just are growing at a faster rate because it's pretty straightforward to build these, and like there's only one piece of balsa in it, and it's just because I had it. Otherwise I would have used a chopstick probably. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, Peter, here's the high alpha. I'll do the high alpha. Yeah. The Cobra. Perfect landing. Oh, very nice. Yes. Karen Clausen, quite amusing. The helicopter just goes up and down. Yes, that's all I can do with it. Get in the sunshine. There's no more sunshine. There it is. Another perfect landing. Thanks, 007. Niall, I hope you enjoyed that flying. Come back and visit any day in Kamloops and we'll bring the planes out to the park and fly, even at winter time. Bye.